Hello, you're watching TelecomTV. I'm Martyn Warwick. We're here at a BT-sponsored automotive event at the top of the BT Tower in central London. And I'm talking with Gerard O'Neill, who is Head of Marketing, Manufacturing Distribution Industries at BT Global Services. Gerard, welcome. I'd like to begin by asking you, what trends is BT seeing in the automotive industry right now?
I think the need for increased collaboration. The need to improve supply chain efficiencies, the need to perform better, to shrink costs and to add value.
We've been looking at various trends such as big data, telematics, the cloud, the connected car, the Internet of Things, M2M and so on. How is BT helping car manufacturers prepare for the opportunities that these trends are going to throw up?
Well, we've been handling big data for a long time, so the transport mechanisms and the security mechanisms are in place. Those challenges have been overcome. I think where we're best placed to add value now in big data is the analytics and the visuals that will enable our clients to quickly, easily make sense, to identify patterns in the data to spot threats, for example, to security, to identify emerging buying patterns, to sift through volumes of data very quickly that in the past would have taken far longer to work their way through.
And how are car manufacturers deploying networked IT to drive efficiency in their own core business practices?
I think more and more the network is becoming the system. The speed at which the network works, the performance that the network delivers is, if it's not what it should be, acts as a bottleneck and a brake on everything else. So the network for a long time, the associated telecom services have probably been the single largest line item in automotive IT budgets, and I think what we're seeing now is that these technologies are starting to punch above their own weight, that the efficiencies that improved communication and collaboration are enabling in complex functions like supply chain management or research and development or service and support, that the efficiencies enabled by better communication and collaboration are delivering savings and benefits out of all magnitude to the cost of the ICT, the network enablers.
And what does BT have in the innovation pipeline that will support the automotive industry of the future?
Good question. We cast the net wide when it comes to innovation. BT long ago embraced the idea of open innovation. So we have large research facilities ourselves, but more and more the breakthroughs are coming from companies outside of BT. So we have scouting capabilities in different parts of the world. We're working with universities and research institutes. So I see more and more of the innovation that we will deliver to our customers has its roots in the work that is being done by small companies, nimble companies, companies that are maybe more agile than a company the size of BT can be, and we're helping take these capabilities and bring all the benefits of big corporate care and take them to our customers.
And a final question then, a bit more speculative than the others. What do you think, looking forward, say 10, 20, 30 years, a generation, what's a car going to look like? I don't mean what is it physically going to look like, I mean what will it do, what will it be?
Well, I hate to say this at an automotive event, but I think it's had its chips. I think the future is going to be rocket-assisted inline skates, like jetpacks. You're going to slap onto the heels of our inline skates, and we'll be away with it.
They're going to reading comics again.
I put a lot of thought into this. I think they're going to make the roads available to us. We're going to have lanes like about that big, and we're going to be able to go where we want. We're not going to need to worry about the car.
Not the hover car or anything like that.
That may come, but first I think it's rocket-assisted inline skates.
Fascinating stuff. Gerard O'Neill, thank you very much.
My pleasure.